Facilitator 2026 website. Okay, this is the syllabus page. Okay, whatever we are seeing, this is the syllabus page. Okay, this is the duration, 13th July to 14th September is the duration. Okay, now now in this we already know about the syllabus, like how many beginner labs are there, how many intermediate labs are there. Okay, you can click the syllabus. Okay, you can see here how many beginner labs, intermediate labs, advanced labs. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, now in the bonus labs, okay, we'll get the 10 points, 10 arcade points. See, you can complete the bonus milestone in just one day. You get the extra 10 bonus points. Okay, in that bonus points we need to finish this four skill badges. In that we need to finish these four skill badges. Okay, now we are going to do this four skill badges. Okay, I have uploaded the videos. Okay, kindly go through the videos. Okay, the first skill badge, which is create your first Gemini enterprise application. This is the first one, and the second one is the engineer AI agents with agent development kit ADK, and the third one is deploy multi-agent architecture, and fourth one is orchestrate multi-agent workflows with Gemini enterprise. The first one and the fourth one are very easy, because which are just choose the correct answer only. Okay, okay, if you just do these four skill badges, you get 10 arcade points. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you.